Alright, we're going. We're recording. What happened?
Hey, you know what's funny?
You can skip tracks, put it up and down. Yeah, I know what.
No.
What?
I don't know if I'm getting shocked or if my fingers are just so numb.
I hope you're getting shocked. I really do.
It's gotta be numb? Oh, shit.
I hope they electrocute you. What? See, if you would have paid your $4 a month for your... Oh, okay. Well, I guess we didn't find what I thought we were going to find up here. I could have sworn the river went straight. I don't know. Maybe I'm just crazy. Ooh. That's what I'm saying. We got to go up more. No, because it's going around this farm here. Hey, go down to where the BMX ATV track was. What's so Ed? It's already right there on the right, Ed. That's where it starts, but this isn't the entrance. This place is huge. It's behind all these houses. Like, all these houses are the same family, I think. They own all this shit. It's all back there.
That's the guy that owns it, or his brother. He doesn't like it.
Yeah, I think all these houses are the same family. Yeah, automatic. The gate's down right now. Somebody's in there. But there's also dogs in there somewhere.
Probably with their dogs and stuff.
I don't hear any rang, rang, rang. I saw fucking ATV tracks on the trail where we were riding just now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to come up here with my quad one of these days, just park somewhere over here and just take off. Really? Yeah. On that rail trail or up to here?
Danny, he says the trail's over there. He says there's places to actually park.
Really?
Yeah, I'll ask him where.
Yeah. Ask him where, and ask him when he goes. I'll go with him. Oh. So he doesn't want to go quadding anymore? Pussy.
He's got some kind of fast-ass fucking dirt bikes, too, I guess.
All dirt bikes are fast. I'm ready when you guys are. I haven't got balls enough to go in there yet. Ed, you should go in there. Yeah. Go check it out for us. Let me know what you think. It's huge, man. It's fucking huge. It goes out there, behind all this, and back, like this whole part is all a big ATV track. Dirt bike track, you know? Motocross. Huh? How's it going? Good. I'm still jealous over your track. Huh? I'm still dying to go back there and check it out, but I don't have the balls to go on somebody else's property.
You keep going online and looking at it?
Every time I'm on Google Maps, I'm like, damn, this fucking thing is huge.
You guys want to take a ride out there?
Could we?
Yeah.
It'd be alright just to ride back there real quick?
Yeah.
Hey guys, come on, let's go back there. He said it's okay to go check it out. Not like we're on dirt bikes, you know. I'm not going to go over the hills with this freaking thing.
Well, I'll be on the garage anyway, but you'll go down, and then the dirt road kind of bears to the left.
Yep.
And then it's like an open field in the back there, and then you can you'll see the track there.
Sweet. Dude, I appreciate it. Thanks a lot, man.
Yeah, no problem.
Sweet.
You guys, you're eager.
I'm eager to look. I'm so curious. It's ridiculous. That was cool of them, huh? Huh? Yeah. Still recording. We got permission to come back here. Look how big this fucking thing is. This is a track right here. This is huge, man. Oh, he's got a pistol range back here and everything. Holy fuck, it's lit. Wow. Goes way back there still.
You got lights.
That's what I'm saying. I just saw that. I was like, it's lit? Unreal. I didn't think it was this way, like this big. I got to get to know these fucking guys. Really got to get to know these guys. They're out here with this little shooting range.
Couches.
Here it goes all the way up in there. Way back over there. He's probably got trails that go up into the woods just off-roading, you know? This is fucking wicked. Go ahead, Ed. Show me your skills.
You're fucking dead tired trying to go up one of these.
He gave us permission. Go for it. My video camera's recording. If you fall, I'll laugh. Oh, you gotta get speed to go up, caralho. Push your bike up and roll down. Go to the other hill.
You said we could ride on it?
Yeah, because it's for traction for bikes. Push your bike to the top of that hill and ride down it. Go ahead. Yeah, it's for... Look at this guy. You go, boy. Kill yourself. I got it on tape. Shift.
Slow down over.
You got to, man. You don't know what's on the other side of the hill. Look how big this place is. It's not made for bicycles. It's made for motorcycles. Look at Ed still going over there. Craziness. Caught some air at that one. Get some Nuno, gets past it right there where Ed went. This is too cool. Right, why not? I'm afraid, but screw it. Oh, there's a dirt bike track. Some serious speed down here. Oh, fuck! That's soft. I'm too fat for this shit. Pretty cool, huh? Huh?
You wanna ride that?
Yeah, go for it. You know how much money these people must have? You know, that campers, those campers back there aren't cheap.
What?
That's what I'm saying.
I got a mile just started doing that.
I almost busted my ass in one little loose part. I was like, alright, that's enough. Pretty cool, huh? Hell yeah. Well, it's made for motorcycles, not bikes, you know?
Ready?
Mm-hmm. Ready?
Yep.
Let's go, I'm ready. Oh. That's a big boy track over there, no? Don't kill yourself, no. Dude, this is so cool. You gotta get to know these people. Yeah. It's okay, puppy. It's okay, puppy. We won't get you. It's okay, puppy. We won't bite you. The dog's right behind me. That is too awesome. I'm very jealous of you right now.
How far you guys fight from?
We started over by 316, I think.
Oh, and
Right now, yeah. But we usually start all the way in Manchester on Parker Street.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Holy shit. You guys live out in Manchester? Or
No, I live in Hartford. He lives in West Hartford, and who knows where Head Ed lives. But we ride all over the place. I mean, we just come for the Hop River Trail there. It's, you know, long and straight and easy.
Yeah.
But yeah, like I said the other day when I talked to you, I saw this on the map, you know, on Google Maps. I was like, holy shit, that place is huge.
Yeah. Oh, you guys just passed
When we talked to him, I was on Google Maps like a month ago, and I saw this on Google Maps. I was like, oh my God, look how big this track is. Because I ride ATVs. So about maybe a month ago, we came by here and we were on the road and we saw him, and we were just chatting with him. And just today we were riding by. I was just so envious sitting here at the end of the road. He was like, you want to go just take a look at it? Go ahead, take a look. Today we started from 316, but we usually start in Manchester, over on Parker Street. But we're just looking at it because I'm so envious because I ride quads. So I was like, holy crap, these guys got a gigantic track in their backyard. I really got to go look. I was just looking at the Hop River Trail. I just happened to notice. I was like, holy crap, there's a dirt track over there. So like a month ago.
It's something that there's not much. It's so hard. Even you think food like that.
Yeah. Oh yeah, he was telling me the last time. I wasn't trying to trespass or anything. I wouldn't have came on here by myself, but he said it was okay to just go back to real quick and check it out. Yeah, I'm not disrespectful. That's why I was telling him as we were riding away. I was like, I don't have balls and big enough to go on somebody else's property, even just to look at dirt. And he was like, no, go ahead, go take a look at it. Yeah, it's too bad with the town.
He wants to make a running thing out here. We're just going through that now. And basically, it's the fact that people don't know their local government and it goes on.
Yeah.
Then when you go there, you realize the kind of people are on the zoning.
Oh yeah. I met some guy once in Middlefield or Middletown. He was on the side of some mountain over there. He owned like half of the mountain, and he was allowing guys to go ride on his property quads. The town got involved. They blocked off the access to his road. Yeah. It was crazy. They're like, go ahead, ride all you want. You just can't drive your trucks on this road to get to his trail. It was crazy, yeah. This was a few years ago. I want to say it was in Middlefield. Yeah, it's... Yeah, I mean, they want them not to be on the streets and fucking up and doing shit, but they won't allow them to do stuff that kids should be doing.
One of the women that's in the town zone, she's like, oh, there'll be people out there laughing out loud.
Really? Great. That's what it's supposed to be. People are supposed to laugh.
That's the kind of liberals that are getting to our government.
Oh, yeah.
They think they live in this perfect town where no one should make noises and this
Yeah.
and that. And you know what? We all live our life. We work.
Exactly.
You realize you got these dickheads that are
Oh, I totally agree with you.
Our government that are telling us what we can do with our own land.
Yeah.
Because they don't want to hear this or
Yeah.
the perfect world. It's
Yeah.
scary. Thank you. And you know how many, like he was saying, how many, there's 3,500 people in town.
Uh-huh.
And the people on the zoning board are being voted in, 300 people vote. And half of them are wackos like them.
Yeah.
They're friends and shit that they get together. And then
You got to get a bunch of your friends to get post office boxes in the town, because that way they're residents. You have all your friends, all your family get post office boxes. And post office boxes is your address.
We're going before the board again. Come up with our, fitness track, running.
Oh, yeah.
Goals, and all that. And I told him, the main thing you can do now is get people.
Yeah.
And there's a local paper you can write in or talk to.
Yeah.
Stating
exactly. It's good for. It's good to get the kids off. Good to get the kids off the street. Or.
You know what? I've said that before. Because I let people come here and ride all the time.
Yep.
We have big bashes.
Yeah.
And I'm
Who's
like,
your puppy?
well, you know what? They're not out here drinking and doing drugs.
And even even if they were drinking, they're drinking here, where they're not going to drive off and kill somebody.
You know what they said to me? They go, that's not our concern.
Then what's the problem? What's the problem then? That's not their concern.
We have little mini bike tracks under the lights out.
Yeah, well, that's where we were just at.
And one of the women, bitch ass across on the other side of 6, right?
Yeah.
Trailer truck. She sends all the photos in. She's like, these motorcycles, they have numbers on them, so they're racing. You know, like.
Really? Wow. Well, this has a number on it. My jersey.
Yeah.
Doesn't mean I'm a New York Giant all of a sudden.
Now you're one of the racers.
Yeah. No. Now I'm a New York Giant because I have a jersey on. Fucking retarded.
So I'm glad to see you enjoy that. And,
Oh no, I was like I said, I stopped by like a month ago. I caught him out here, and I'm envious of you guys. I really am. I'm envious of you guys out here with all this. Because I ride quads and stuff. I got to go all the way up to New Hampshire to ride. Yeah, I go to Warren, New Hampshire all the time and ride.
This is set up more for dirt bikes.
For dirt bikes, but still.
You see the jumps that little track was for a little pit bike.
Yeah. They were actually riding on the little track in the back. They went around it once or twice on the bike.
Out back is a mile and a half long, and that's got all the big jumps, jumps and all that. You know. Crazy.
Wow, that's nuts. I mean, that's out of my league, but it's just I was just.
That's what I'm saying. It's more
Dirt bikes and stuff. Yeah.
level,
Yeah.
Does all the jumps and all
Yeah. But still, it's good to know there's stuff around. It just sucks that the town sucks, you know.
Yeah. It's good to meet people that can share the same life.
Yeah. Well.
Like I say, a lot of the people we see are just against us and all that, you know. That's kind of sucks.
Yeah. Well, if you go on Facebook, go to Northeast ATVers. Yeah, that's my site on. We got a club. If I take my helmet off, we got hats. We got a Mount Moosilauke ATV Association in New Hampshire, MMATVC.org.
Wow.
Yeah.
What do you got? Actually, trails and all.
Oh, we got a whole town.
Nice.
Warren, New Hampshire.
That's what's cool about Vermont. Is it's like phone school.
Yeah, New Hampshire and Vermont. To have access to the town trails, to maintain the trails, you have to have a club. You have to be organized.
Well, it's like VAST. I'm a snowmobile.
Yeah, same thing.
So it's
Like Vasta in Vermont, yeah. I belong to Vasta too, but for quads.
Yeah.
It's the same thing. We ride on the same trails.
Well,
But in Vermont, how the ATV trails close in the winter when there's snow on, New Hampshire, most of them are still open, like the town trails, because our club maintains Warren, New Hampshire's trail, Warren, Wentworth, and a couple other towns. Our club does all the trail maintenance. So we're able to do whatever we want, but we all do it respectfully.
Well, they have. I've been into Canada.
Yep, we ride up to Canada too.
And they have trails.
We ride out of Presque Isle, Maine a lot too. We go right up to Presque Isle.
That far up, you gotta be into that. And I remember at nighttime when I'm coming on snowmobile, what happened was they actually had their separate trails that they combined at one point.
Yeah.
And you go like a quarter mile or a mile, then veer off to the quad trail.
Yep.
Snowmobile.
Oh yeah.
And I remember I was with a younger guy and with a group of us, and he bumped out along the quad trail. I had to chase him down. I'm like, where the hell are you going? I had to come back with the quad lights all. This is at midnight.
Oh yeah.
These guys are just cruising.
Oh yeah. We ride in Presque Isle. They do it's called the Ultimate ATV event. They do it every July, and you'll get 2,000, 3,000, 4,000 quads up there for a weekend. And we ride from Presque Isle all the way up to Caribou, Maine, and then all the way up into Canada. And we ride right over the border. And you see the ranger station waving 1,000 quads over the border, not stopping anybody. We go right into Canada like it's nothing. We ride right along the Great Divide.
Looks like a reciprocal trail that you have that goes up and then versions back, or you come back.
Oh, you could come back the same route, but I mean we stopped, but the trails just keep going. You're in Canada already. We could have, who knows how far we could have went. But it's great.
That is so cool, man.
I do, yeah. Look me up online. If you go to like Northeast ATVers on Facebook, you guys got a Facebook account? Go to Northeast ATVers, and I'm Jose DaCosta. So if you see Jose or anybody saying Big Bird, something or another, that's me. Bill and Billy. There you go. Jose DaCosta, that's Nuno Pimentel, and who knows what the hell this guy's name is. We found him on a trail.
Next time we have our gatherings here, I'll let him.
Yeah, look me up on.
I'll let him give you a message, and you guys.
That'd be great.
You'll be impressed what we do out here.
That'd be great. I appreciate it. Thanks a lot for letting us look. All right, we'll see you later. Have a great day. That was so cool. Oh, my fat ass can't pedal uphill. Oh. I went around a quarter of it, then I got to some loose stuff. I almost busted my ass. Like, okay, that's enough for the back guy. The double. You went up a little bit on one of them. I saw you.
Is that a cat? Yeah. Alright. I was like, what the fuck is that?
That's a Wolverine.
No, but that shit took my energy, though. It really did.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I was trying to get air. Barely any air.
And you notice we were on the little mini bike track. We weren't even on the big track. Dude, he said he's got one back there 1.5 miles long. That's insane. That is so insane. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Don't scare the little pussy. Hey, mama. It's on my video camera. It's still recording. Watch out for the car. Oh.